Why most of the local business is not ranked in Google? If you are in USA and you are running a local business, you may be not ranking because Google business profile is half complete. Just think about it. If you do not let Google know about your business, Google will never show your business in Mappack. So my suggestion will be simple. Add a perfect category, write strong descriptions, add authentic real images with proper GEO tag, and update a post once a week so that Google gets a strong signal about your business and it can show up to the customer you want to rank.